Amoda, the child deliberately conceived and given birth to. Ọmọ tí a mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ dá. The main words in that Oriki are the words mo and da. Mo here means to do something knowingly, to intentionally do something, to purposefully do something, to do something with purpose, purposefully. And da means to create. Amoda is therefore the one created purposefully, the one intentionally created. Da here can also be used to refer to giving birth to. When you give birth to a child, you have given creation to that child. So, Amoda, a child deliberately created, a child intentionally given birth to. There are no mistakes involved in the conceiving of you. You were created with a purpose, born not as a result of happenstance. Amoda, ẹni a mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ dá, Wàá Ṣere.